How to change Temu password. If you're wondering how to change Temu password, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open Temu. Now at the bottom row, you'll see where it says you right here. So click on your profile icon. And then at the bottom, you'll see it says settings. So click on that. At the very top option, you'll see where it says account security. So you'll see your password right here, and next to it, it has the option edit. So click on edit. And then go ahead and type in your old password. So I'm just going to do that real quick. And then go ahead and type in your new password. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click submit. So you can see the password has been changed successfully, and that is how to change Temu password.